goccio d'acqua. Yo yo yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Today is the 13th of January 2026, and today I have some big news. I have some big news because I've bought a 50k account. Um, so if you go here, you have this trade away, and we are setting at 50 and 50k and 45. Um, yeah, I took one trade um, this morning. Yeah, one trade this morning on this evil, and because I have to practice with contract size and shit, so I need to like try before go full in like 500 bucks and shit. So let's go over the trade that I took today. We have one loss, but it was from yesterday. Was really small, like $1.80, like $2. So nothing crazy. We swept. I don't remember if it was. Okay, so we swept on a nice time frame. Buy side liquidity, make an SMT. So I saw this. I think was a 3 minute bullish gap. Wait for the inversion that occurs right there. I enter on the retest because I thought it was a little bit late. Um, we push higher through like throw my stop loss, and we reject it. We go lower. We tap to break even, and this is like the break even cost, slippage and shit. So okay. Then we took this one this morning, my morning, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Like um, the start of long session. I'm gonna show you on the chart, but we accumulate low resistance liquidity. Then we have right there a 1 hour unfilled gap. So we swept all those liquidity one time, but we didn't hit this high time frame PD. So I said like I don't wanna enter this trade, even if let me show you on this is the other trade. Let me show it on the charts. What? So this is the trade that I was showing here. Same trade, but with some more drawing out. Like let me open the draw tool. Okay, we're pretty same. So this was the trade, and I want to show you the leg that I was referring before. Here, as you can see, we have this leg that didn't doesn't tap inside this 1 hour unfilled gap. This was damn. This was 1 hour unfilled gap. So I said like we were pretty bullish on the day, and I said like this is my ideal move to go higher, right? To go and tap this 1 hour unfilled gap. So I said this was kind of um my condition, right? So if this 1 hour gap uh, is being respected, I can consider to go long, right? So I wait for my condition to get where is to get tattoo. In fact, we swept this low, then we create this 1 minute, create even here, if I'm not wrong, an SMT, but I'm not sure. And no, I don't think there was an SMT. No SMT. Let me see the tag. Yeah, no SMT. So no SMT. We swept this low inside this 1 hour gap, which was even my condition. So I said like, okay, let me go 3 minute. I went to the 3 minute, and I saw this little tiny gap, which I wasn't confident. And so I stayed in 1 minute. I say, okay, let me try this. I all my parameters are there. So let me see. I have this 1 hour gap as my like item frame PD and condition. if this get respected, I can consider to take the trade, take the long to those buy side liquidity, low resistance liquidity, right? So we took it, and we took internal liquidity too. So I said like this is kind of A plus. I with an SMT would be like A plus plus in this scenario. If, for example, we have um, this SMT, there would be like 100% worth of take this long, right? But in this case, we didn't have an SMT. So I said like, okay, let me try. I enter off of this closure. Okay, this wasn't like really good, but I said like, okay, let me try. We technically inverted. So I said, let's go. I went in right there, took I think off the position out at 1 hour and stopped at break even. Then I missed that, like, it's my fault, is I think that my second time trading on TradingView, and I'm not used to contract sell stop by stop and shit, so I figure it out how to do it. And yeah, so I do a completely mess here with my stop order, take profit and shit. And yeah, trade ended up running higher to my final take profit, which was Asia low, Asia high. And yeah, so on this one I made $50 in the 50k account, so still profit, right? And let's go to the second trade that we took today, and let's start from the chart first. So the second trade. So today we add CPI news, right? 8:30. What 8:30 did was sweeping out previous day high. So I said, okay, CPI swept this, right? So same as before. We go to from external to internal and share, right? So I said same as before, we have a 50-minute here with the devil point, right? Devil point is a candle that has just one wick, just one wick, or on this side, or like this, or in this side, okay? And this is the devil point, which is a kind of strong drawn liquidity. Price wants, like, needs to rebalance this point. So this was my last take profit, and the 15-minute unfilled gap. So you say, okay, prime. So as before, same things. We have an unfilled, we have a sweep here, and this time we have an SMT, making this setup even more A plus. So we have a sweep and SMT. We have this as kind of my last conditions. So this was a 5-minute gap. Okay, it was a 5-minute gap. So initially was rejected, and then yeah, and then we sweep, make an SMT. So I said like, this is my final condition. If this 5-minute candle, so my entry candle, close above, I'm like, okay, I'm good. If doesn't close above, I put myself at break even, so I'm safe. Whatever it does, right? So in 1 minute we inverse this gap right there. So enter long here, not on TradingView, my MT5. So this is the trade, right? I enter off of this inversion. This was the 1 minute that I took before this one. $1 loss that I took before this one, but I was trying to calculate my lot size, so nothing crazy. And this was the trade that I took here, right? So enter off of this 1 minute, break even here, took some profit here. Don't mind this arrow. I put those here just to take the image for my journal. Then we chopped, and finally we took our take profit. I could had runners like for more. Oh shit, Maharo, for more, but don't care. I was at the job with Roberto, so I was working, and I was happy. This was my final GP, and I say, okay, let me take out everything here. And on this one, we made $210. On my kind of other challenges that I have is a 50k account, uh, 5k account, sorry, and I was in deep drawdown. I was like, the like max drawdown is 400 4500, and I was like 4600. So I said like, let me go ball in, let me go all in. I risked, I think 75 or 100, and I took out 2.3 R. So it's good. This 2026, I might like it, right? Cause yeah, let me see. Right, this is good. Okay, this is good. This those data are not like quite accurate because I'm trading a 50k account, and this main is the 5k account, so they have different size, and so trade are bigger or smaller. So this is not real, this is not real, and this is not real. Those data are in general of my trading journey on 20, starting from 2026, let's say. So I'm happy because my win rate is almost 60%, sorry, not 16, 16 is bad. 60. So okay, I feel good. My trades are good. My losses are good too. Not this day because I took two trades. Yeah, this was like a stupid loss because we was trading higher, and like, what the fuck. I would think it's possible to do something like that. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really really good on this 50k account. Is I like it. I like it. I need to trade more long session because this week is full red folder, and focusing on the process, on my rule. So feeling great, feeling great. Positive vibes, positive like energy, you know. So feeling good. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Yeah, hope to show you more winning trades than losses.